breaths. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another circuit. We're going to start out using the kettlebell or any type of weight. You can use a dumbbell, a bag. You can get your child to hang there with their arms like this, and you can use whatever works on this one. We're going to be doing an RDL, so Romanian or stiff leg deadlift. This is going to be working the hamstrings and glutes and a lot of other small muscles in the back side of her leg, which is a good change up from working the front side of her leg in lunges or squats, etc. We're going to go with tempo on this. So 3, 2, 1 tempo in this case is going to be 3 seconds lower, 2-second pause at the bottom, and then 1 second quick going back up, and I'll show you exactly what that looks like. We're going to do that for 8 repetitions. Then we're going to move into push-up, going for 10 repetitions, and I'll show the variations on that one. Finally, we have 3.5-month position with hips on the ground. So this is going back to when we were all 3.5 months old, because we all remember that. We're going to crawl exactly like we did then, working out just like a baby. That's what we do here. That's what you signed up for, to work out like a baby. You will see this movement is a very great movement for working out the posterior or backside shoulder as well as core, and this is one of my favorites. We're going to do that for 4 breaths, working on our breath there and our core stability as we go back to the RDL. We have this 4 rounds, y'all. So RDL, like I said, it's going to be stiff leg deadlift. As I pick up the weight, I want to be in a good, almost deadlift or squat position. I'm going to bring the weight right in between my legs. See this little werewolf face. And like I said, it's going to be 3 seconds down. RDL, my knees are almost straight or slightly bent. So 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, pause, and then 1 second up. Literally, I like to count it out whenever I do these because otherwise I think about something or I lose count of my reps or time. So 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, up. Think about the whole time I'm lowering and hold, my hamstrings are loaded. There's no relaxation period. Even right here, I still have to work to hold that weight and have good form, not arching my back or rounding my back. So keep that in mind. Like I said, that's going to be 8 repetitions. Then we're going to move into push-up. So 3 variations are either knees on the ground. Again, if I had a box right here, I could elevate both arms or use a couch, a chair, something to incline the push-up. Or I can go 1 knee, again, still using the box, so a lot of variations, a lot of options. Or I can go both knees up, and we're getting 10 here. I go down, elbows bend, press the floor away as I come back up. Okay, then last one, 3.5-month position. I'm going to move this out of the way. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to get my elbows in front of me, about 6 inches in front of my shoulder. So, okay, they're directly under, scoot up a little bit. Doesn't have to be exact, I just want them in front. Now what I'm going to do is lift up my feet. So I'm like in this almost kind of ready to crawl position. Step 3 is going to be shoulders in my ears, which is the opposite of what we want. Wow, opposite of what? Now we get it to what we want, which is shoulders out of ears totally, and then press the ground away with your elbows, and you round your belly up. So my hips are staying on the ground. I'm not all the way up yet, but I'm pressing the ground away as my shoulders are down, and then I'm lifting my belly and rounding my belly off the ground. I don't know if you can tell, but I am shaking. So really getting 4 deep breaths into the nose. I'm shaking because I feel a lot of it in the back side of my shoulder. This is a great one. I've used this with students, athletes, actually a lot of baseball guys, as they're constantly throwing and using their shoulder. Well, they use the front side to produce a lot of power. The back side has to decelerate after they throw the ball. So how can I get their backside stronger and reduce their risk of injury? This is a great one to implement with anybody, but cool fact, I've done it a lot with baseball players. They love it and I love it too. I'll see you guys next time.